Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are learning about F strings in Python. Now, F strings is a way to make string formatting very easy and readable. So let's see how it works. So let's say we have name of a person and we have their age. And we want to print a statement saying Aryan is 7 years old. So if we were to use print for this, the print function, we would say name is and then age, comma, because name and age are variable here, so that you don't have to enclose it in quotation. And then years old. Years old, we want to just type it as it is. So this does the job, but you see, it was pretty difficult to write this. We had to remember the spaces and things like that. So a better way to do this is by using F string. So you can say print, and then you can create a F string. So how do we create a F string? So before quotation, you have to write F or capital F, small f or capital F before the quotes. And then wherever you have a variable, wherever you want to reference the variable, that would be enclosed in this curly brackets. So here, name is the variable, curly brackets is, then we want to have the age here, years old. So this is one string. And wherever we have a variable, we want to reference a variable, we have enclosed it in curly brackets here. So if you go ahead and print it, it is giving me Aryan is 7 years old. So the name here is replaced by the value of the name variable, which is Aryan, and the age is replaced by the value of the age variable, which is 7. Now, if I remove F from here, then this is a normal string. It will just go ahead and print it as it is. So the F string is a way to insert variables directly into string. Now you can also perform calculations inside F string. So now let's look into that. So if you want to perform a calculation, let's say you want to sum these two numbers and print it. So you can say print, and then like if you were to do it without F string, can you do something like this? Yes, that's fine. But then you would say, let's say I want to also say sum colon. So this is what I'm getting. But with F string, how we would do it? So we'll write our F string here. It has to be prepended with this F, small f or capital F, sum, colon, and this is an expression. This we need to be evaluated. So this has to come inside curly brackets. A plus B. And now let's go ahead and run it. So we are getting sum 15. Even we can format the numbers for better readability in F string. So I'll give you an example of that today, and maybe we'll have another recording where we'll talk about how this can be done in more detail. So let's say we have pi 3.14159 is the value, and I want to print it. So I'll say print, let's go ahead and use F string. I'll say pi colon and just put in this variable pi. Now, if I just go ahead and print it, this is what I'm getting. But let's say I just want to get this value till 2 decimal place. So then how do we do it? So we'll put colon here and then dot or decimal to F. Dot 2 means that we want only 2 decimal places of this pi variable, and F means floating number. So this is what the output looks like, 3.14. It is giving us till 2 decimal places. Even we can have multi-line F string. So let's just try that also, multi-line F string. Let's say we want to print the name and the age of the person. And so we have our name variable, we have our age variable. We want to print the name and the age in separate lines. So I can say details is equal to, and triple quotes, for multi-line string, we have to use triple quotes. And this has to be a F string. So I'll put a F before this for the quotes. And then name, colon. What do you want here? The name of the person. And this is what we have in our age. And let's just go ahead and print the details variable. And this is what I'm getting. So pretty nifty. So yeah, that's all about F string. They make formatting really easy and clean. Try using them in your work. See you next time.